Hey, Patrick of KyGunCo, and I also have Alexis with CZ USA, direct from the factory. Tomorrow's April 24th, which happens to be our CZ range day. And Alexis has brought a pile of guns for you guys to shoot. Federal has donated a pile of ammo for you guys to shoot in them. Absolutely 100% free, complimentary of KyGunCo and CZ. Alexis, what type of guns do we have? What are we going to shoot tomorrow?
All right, so hey guys, I'm looking forward to meeting everybody tomorrow. We've got with us some P10s, we've got TS2s, we've got Shadows, Scorpions, various CZ long guns. So I'm looking forward to meeting everybody, coming out, shooting some guns, and answering all your questions.
And how this is going to work, we're going to give you the first 5 rounds of 22 or 9mm for free. You can come in here and pick your guns, which ones you want to shoot it out of. If you want to shoot more than that, feel free to bring some ammunition. You know, ammunition is a little tough to get, so we can't just give it away. But feel free to bring any factory boxed ammunition. You can shoot as long as we don't have somebody else waiting for that gun. So the range time's free, the target's free, the guns are for free, the rentals are for free. The first 5 rounds of ammunition we'll provide to you. We have a CZ pro shooter here on staff to help you, check your skills out and maybe even further develop your skills with his knowledge and his training capability. We also have another CZ factory rep that's here that's going to be out in the retail floor to answer any questions, any issues, any concerns, anything about CZ USA. These guys will have you covered. Tomorrow, April 24th.